India Meteorological Department welcomes you in its daily weather briefing. Yesterday, cold day to severe cold day conditions prevailed over some parts of Punjab, some parts of Haryana, some parts of central Uttar Pradesh and some parts of the Bihar. And yesterday, dense to very dense fog also prevailed for a few hours in the early morning and in the night time over Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, northern parts of Rajasthan and northwest Madhya Pradesh. This is the satellite pictures where we can see the fog layer over the many parts of the plains of northwest India and some parts of the east India in the white color. Yesterday, minimum 25-meter visibility reported over the Bahraich in the east Uttar Pradesh. Similarly, in the Rajasthan, minimum 25-meter visibility reported over the Ajmer, over the Bihar, 25-meter visibility reported over the Purnia. In the west Uttar Pradesh, minimum 50-meter visibility reported over the Meerut. Similarly, over the Punjab, minimum 200-meter visibility was reported over the Ludhiana. And this is the minimum temperature map where we can see that mainly over the Punjab, Haryana, northwest Uttar Pradesh, northern parts of the Rajasthan, minimum temperatures are in the range of 6 to 8 degrees centigrade. However, over the east Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, south Rajasthan, minimum temperatures are in the range of 10 to 12 degrees centigrade. There will not be any change in the minimum temperatures over the most parts of the country except East India and over the adjoining central India, where the minimum temperatures are very likely to increase by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade in the upcoming 3 days. Mainly over the Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, northern parts of Chhattisgarh and East Madhya Pradesh. This is the departure of the minimum temperature. So as we can see, mainly over the entire northwest India, which are given in the green color, minimum temperatures are somewhere normal or near normal. However, over the central India, most parts of the west India and most parts of the south peninsular India, which are given in the yellow and red color, minimum temperatures are the above normal over all those regions. And if we look for the today's highlight, then cold day to severe cold day conditions very likely to prevail over the Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan and some parts of the Uttar Pradesh during next 2 to 3 days, and thereafter there will be gradual reduction in the cold day conditions. And similarly, the dense to very dense fog is also very likely to prevail over the mainly in the midnight and mainly in the early morning hours over the Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, northern parts of Madhya Pradesh and northern parts of the Rajasthan in the next 2 days, and thereafter there will be reduction in the fog over all those regions. This is the today's synoptic feature. So today we have a western disturbance which can be seen as a circulation over the Jammu division and adjoining Pakistan in the middle tropospheric levels, and over the south Haryana a cyclonic circulation can be seen in the lower tropospheric levels. Over the southeast Arabian Sea, a low pressure area, steady low pressure area still continues over the same region, and a trough is also running from this low pressure area up to the Kerala coast in the lower tropospheric levels. Because of all these synoptic features, if we look for the weather warning for upcoming 5 days, and if we look for the mainly over the northern, northwest and central and east India, then fog, mainly the dense to very dense fog conditions very likely to continue for a few hours in the night time and in the morning hours over the Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, northern parts of the Rajasthan and northern parts of the Madhya Pradesh in the upcoming 2 to 3 days, and thereafter means mainly from the 6th of January onwards there will be gradual reduction in the fog conditions over all those regions. However, dense fog conditions at 1 or 2 places will continue over the Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan on 6th and 7th of January. Because of that, we have given the orange alert for the Punjab, Haryana, West Uttar Pradesh, northern parts of the Rajasthan and Bihar for today and tomorrow. And over the other parts, dense fog can also be seen for a few hours, mainly in the early morning hours over the Jammu division, Himachal Pradesh, at 1 or 2 places over the Uttarakhand, over Sikkim area, Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Tripura, and 1 or 2 places over the Gangetic West Bengal and the Odisha for the next 3 days. So we have issued the yellow color warning for all those regions for the next 3 days, and from 6th of January onwards there will not be any dense fog conditions mainly over the East India. So there we have not issued any dense fog warning for the East India from 6th January onwards. And if you look for the cold day conditions, then cold day to severe cold day conditions very likely to continue to prevail over many parts of Punjab, many parts of the Haryana, many parts of Uttar Pradesh, some parts of the Madhya Pradesh, and some parts of the Rajasthan for the next 2 days. That is on today and tomorrow, and from 5th of January onwards there will not be any cold due to severe cold wave conditions mainly over the Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. However, cold day conditions will prevail at 1 or 2 places over Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan. Even on the 6th January onward there will not be any cold day conditions over the entire northwest India and even from the entire country. And if you look for the south peninsular India, then because of the low pressure area over the southeast Arabian Sea and because of the trough which is extending from this low pressure area up to the Kerala coast, mainly the light rainfall activity will be experienced over the Lakshadweep area, Kerala and Tamil Nadu for the next 3 days over the most parts of all those regions. And even today isolated heavy rainfall activity is also likely over Lakshadweep area. We have issued the yellow alert, and tomorrow heavy to very heavy, it means the rainfall will be somewhere between 10 to 20 centimeters at 1 or 2 places over the Lakshadweep island. So we have issued the orange alert, and on 5th of January heavy rainfall is again expected at 1 or 2 places over the island. However, over the Kerala and over the South Tamil Nadu, heavy rainfall activity is also likely mainly on the 4th of January and on 5th of January. So we have issued the yellow alert for all those regions. And on 7th of January, once again, mainly the South Tamil Nadu is likely to experience heavy rainfall activity at 1 or 2 places. Yellow alert is issued. If we look for the fisherman warning, then because of the low pressure area over the southeast Arabian Sea, equally weather where the wind speed will be 45 to 55 kmph, very likely to prevail over the southeast Arabian Sea, adjoining areas of the Lakshadweep area and Comorian area, which are given in this grey color shaded area. Equally weather will prevail over all those regions in the upcoming 3 to 4 days. Fishermen are advised not to venture over the southeast Arabian Sea, adjoining areas of the Lakshadweep area and Comorian area for the next 4 days. For more detailed weather information, you can visit the IMD website. You can follow us on our Facebook page, our YouTube channel and our Twitter page. Thank you.